Hi everyone, welcome to this tutorial on controlling customized closed captions in Storyline 360 using JavaScript. In this session, we'll explore how to use the default CC button to manage customized captions. By the end of this tutorial, you'll be able to enhance your Storyline projects with interactive and accessible caption controls. Storyline 360 provides a built-in CC button that can be used to toggle captions on and off. To leverage this button for customized captions, we need to use JavaScript. Create a variable caption text used in JavaScript. Add a text box and refer to the Caption Text Variable. Add a trigger to execute JavaScript. To enable CC from the start, add a trigger for the built-in variable for CC. Add another trigger to toggle the CC. The script runs at regular intervals to check for the presence of the caption container. It then updates a storyline variable with the caption text, allowing you to control the display of captions through the default CC button. And that's it! You've successfully learned how to control customized closed captions in Storyline 360 using the default CC button with a simple JavaScript code. By integrating this approach, you can provide a more interactive and accessible experience for your learners. Thank you for watching.